Hey, how you doing? Rick here with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Hope you're all doing well tonight. This is, what is it, Thursday? Yeah, Thursday, January 29th, 2025. We've almost got a month of the year, the new year. I'm sorry, this is 26. We've almost got a month of the new year out of the way. Hey, I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 charts that I would like to go over with you tonight. But before we get started, I would like to very much invite you to our inside to an account that I trade, the Road to Wealth account. It's a 2-day free live trading. You have to register for it. Okay, the registration link is down below the video. But other than that, no strings attached. That's Monday, February 2nd and 3rd, 2026. Starts at 8:30 Eastern till 4 p.m. till the market close. But I would very much like to invite you. We're giving away some things. We're giving away some free memberships. We're giving away ebooks. We're giving away video courses. And I'm even going to give away a couple of private coaching. Okay? So please register. I'd love to see you in the room. Now let's get started. Let's look at some charts, okay? Let me get this out of the way. There we go. Okay, so the charts I want to look at here tonight is, let's start with Meta. Meta, I think Meta goes higher. Now, I don't believe Meta is a buy right here. I'm not buying it right here. But I do believe with this big gap up on that big volume, with the good news that it had, I do believe Meta goes higher. So I'll be watching for that pullback, for that entry. And we like things like a 3-8 trap, maybe an 8-17 trap. But we also, if price comes over here and just kind of rests, we will put a stop in and we'll trade that up. Now, I'm personally not going to trade Meta because the account that I use that I'm growing is too small for Meta. So I'm going to trade METU. METU. Same thing, just different. So again, I think price goes up along with Meta. This is a single stock ETF. So I'll wait for the consolidation. In fact, this right here is set up as a buy for me using this area right there. What is that? About 37.50 as the stop, maybe the low of the candle here as a stop. So I'll be watching this very closely over the next couple of days. To see what happens to it. I don't want to chase it, but I don't want to buy it and then just have it come back and fill that gap. So I'll be very careful with that chart. But I do like it, so let's take a look. Another one, PFE. Now I'm already in PFE, and I've been in it for a while. And I want to go to a weekly chart here and look at the bottom that PFE has been putting in. Okay. Now I'm in it for a long time. I've got leaps on it. But I do think, PFE runs up here. And from where we are now, 4 or 5%, another 4 or 5%, something like that. So let's keep an eye on Meta. We're right here at the target 1's already been hit. There's target 2, target 3, and there's target 4 there. That line right there, maybe you can barely see it. That's a 500-day period moving average, and we're trying to get across that. And once we do, I think we've got a good chance to do pretty well on PFE. So now let's take a look at Ford. Okay, take a look at Ford here. Ford is looking really well, and I've got targets on Ford. Let's move this down here. There we go. Target 1, target 2, target 3, target 4 is what I'll be looking for on Ford. That's setting up pretty nice right in here. Very, very nice. Now let's take a look at TAL, T-A, I think it's 1L, if I'm right. Yeah, TAL. This was shared by one of our members today in the room, and thank you very much. We've got a nice, great big gap bull kicker on this thing. Now, again, I think it needs to set up before there's an entry, but target 1, target 2, target 3 looks really, really good here. Take a look at that weekly chart. Make that a little smaller. Boy, it's pretty small, don't it? Hard to see. Let's take a look at a monthly chart. Let's go. There we go. We don't have to go to a month. There we go. So see how we're, well, kind of, there it is. All right, see how we're way high over here? Look at that bottom this thing is putting in. Now, I'm not saying we're going to go from 12 bucks to 90 bucks, okay? That's not what I'm saying. But there's some nice targets on this with some follow through. But again, it needs to set up for that entry, okay? Here's CAR. Almost bought some CAR today, toward the end of the day. But CAR is breaking out here. Here's a nice kind of a rising method. It's a flag, but it's also kind of a rising method in candlestick terms. Nice gap up. Target 1, target 2, target 3 up here on that. Okay. Anyway, those are some pretty nice charts. Thought you might like them. And please, if you get a chance, check that link below the video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up while you're there, okay? And leave a comment if you'd like. But join us. Click that link and register. You must register. Monday, February 2nd and 3rd. That's coming right up, starting at 8:30, okay? And I'd like to share with you a little bit about our trading. Take care and thank you. We'll see you in the room.